If you're a homeowner in Rock Hill, South Carolina, you might be wondering how much your insurance company will cover for roof replacement. Your insurance company usually covers the cost of repairing or replacing your roof after accidents or weather-related damage, such as storms, hail, or fire. Yes, most home insurance companies will pay to replace your roof if it's damaged beyond repair by covered perils, such as fire, heavy winds, hail, or other listed hazards. However, not all roof damages may be covered, so it's crucial to review your policy and understand the covered perils. In Rock Hill, South Carolina, you can negotiate roof replacement with insurance, depending on the extent of damage and your policy coverage. For older roofs, if damage is more than 25% of the roof, your insurance company may pay for an entirely new roof based on the current building code in Rock Hill. If you're facing roof damage in Rock Hill, follow these steps to navigate the insurance process successfully, understand your insurance policy, document the damage, file a claim, cooperate with the adjuster, seek professional assistance. In Rock Hill, consider consulting top roof adjusters for a free claim consultation. They have licensed and bonded property damage experts who will represent you from start to finish, ensuring you get the most for your roof insurance claim. When it comes to replacing your roof in Rock Hill, consider the following factors: roofing materials, reputable contractors,